Testing 1, 2. 1, 2. Recording for okay. Good morning. It's been a wonderful day. Going to my bicycle. Bam. Bam. Like this. Boom. Ooh. Now it's time to park. She never did this. She always used this lower part because it's easier. You need to push it. Yes, good. Put it down. Good. Then now you put the bike.
I have to lift it.
Yes, you have to lift it. Again. I would like to help you, but I'm not always with you. Good. It's a bit of hard work, I know. Sorry, I'm not helping you. Great, see? I'm a good boyfriend. Well, now it's me. Is that 1 hour, right? Sunday morning, we left home. We're gonna go to a friend of her, which is a big enthusiast about racing bikes. Let's face it, all the gyms are closed. I'm getting muscle in the belly, you know, so I'm interested about buying one, but I don't understand much. And well, I want to try his bicycle, see how it's going on, and get some advice. Don't laugh. She's laughing because I was speaking to the camera. It was not recording. The camera is new. It's a Canon 90D and I'm still trying to figure out this thing. This massive building, what is this?
Tomato.
They grow tomatoes here?
Yeah.
This thing is so massive, it goes from there all the way to there. It's insane. When we pass here in the night, all this is illuminated because they have lights to raise the tomatoes. This thing is massive.
Flowers.
Wait. Here I must tell you something. The Dutch, they have this very silly song called Tomato Plucker, which basically means tomato pickers. Listen. What's the sense? Oh yeah, I just changed, super sporty now. Let's go to his place. Let's go to Steph's house. You still have the candles from my birthday here.
You still have the candles from your birthday there.
We were ice skating in this big lake. Check the video. For the crazy believers of the flat earth theory, if they come to the Netherlands, flat. Oh, that's a nice bridge, made from the Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava.
Ya no sabes lo que pasa. Lo que manda aquí la clave. Este ritmo guaguanco. Esto es lo que existe.
That's nice. What was the name of that bicycle now?
A bakfiets.
A bakfiets. What means buck?
You don't have a literal translation in.
For a bucket. We're almost there. This is the ride. First thing I need to wear this without underwear because he has cushioning for my. I feel like gonna do striptease.
Anastasia, right?
Yeah.
Anastasia. Oh my god, her.
She's a blue Russian, so we named her after
A
a Russian.
Russian name.
How does this work? I rotate this.
Yeah.
Can I walk with it?
You look like you're wearing heels for the first time.
Yep.
Here I went on the 30 minutes ride that Steph preloaded on his bicycle computer, this thing over here, and damn, what a massive difference from the bicycle I ride every day in Amsterdam. I have a very sturdy, heavy and wide Cortina bicycle with a plastic bucket in the front, and comparing to this one is like a truck compared to a Lamborghini. On this bicycle, all the power from my legs goes directly to the road. This is a track Domane with a Shimano Sora group set. Could sped up a bit. I reached 45 kilometers per hour. And I could easily overtake some cyclists on their normal bicycles. It took some time to get used to the gears shifting, the braking, and especially to remove the foot. Almost like a professional. I just need a good pair of legs. Look at this. Cool, huh? So this is the place I just passed with the bicycle, and it's amazing. A lot of nice flowers, nice fields. Nice. Something like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Can we go to McDonald's? I'm hungry actually.
Yeah, we can.
I need to do so much pressure to get out this milkshake. Resuming the experience of cycling with this race bike. It was very positively, seriously. And Steph showed me all the accessories and the equipment that I must buy and so on. To get our bikes back. Nice. Now you can take out my bike.
Yeah, I'm going home. See you there.
She really wants to pee. She's in a hurry.
My God.
That's how you need to do it. Sometimes they are a bit rusty. See you next time. Subscribe, Fabio The Man. Have a good one.